Hello everyone, it is Adam here. So this was recorded on like Monday, so the 14th or 15th of October, and I picked the bike up on Saturday and I rode in the rain, and now this is Monday and I'm still in the rain, and see all these leaves? It was terrible. It was 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It was wet leaves because peak has ended up here, so we have all this, look at this shit. It was bad, and I was being rained on. Pretty scary stuff, but I had to leave that night because I had to be at a conference the next morning, and the next morning it was going to be below freezing, so I had to get on the bike and head south, but finally made it to Boston. This is also for me a chance to see how the GoPro Hero 7 does with almost no light at all, with the ISO and stuff, ISO boost. But the nav screen looks good though.
Well, we're in Boston. Well, almost. We're going to Cambridge tonight for a 3-day conference. And that was terrible rain. Just like 75 miles of just beating rain. And like a crap load of wet leaves. That was bad. Oh. But we're good now. It's just raining a little bit.
Doesn't this look so cool? This is the hyperlapse time-lapse feature of the GoPro Hero 7. So it basically records a video. So it's recording a 4K 60 FPS video, and then it's smoothing it out to be completely like seamless. It does a really good job. And this is Wednesday, driving back home, and we're back in the rain again. So, and instead of it being 56 degrees, it was like 42 to 48 degrees. But luckily, way less leaves 2 days later. This is the first ride I took in the showy Neotech 2 helmet, and it performed flawlessly. It's also the first ride that I took in the brand new Klim Badlands Pro jacket and pants. So instead of my gear being worth X amount of dollars, it's worth more now, but it's definitely much nicer to have the modular helmet because I wear glasses. So being able to remove or lift the helmet up to talk to people without having to remove my glasses and removing the helmet, it's just much nicer. But yeah, uneventful ride home, just lots of rain. That's really all for now. Just a quick video. Didn't get wet. The Klim Badlands Pro held up really well. Neotech 2 breathed really well. And the bike performed flawlessly despite all the rain. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you're having a good week. As I write this, we're getting an inch of snow tonight, and it's 28 degrees outside, so our riding season's almost over. It's really a shame.